In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see picture reviews on Dhgate. This is a quick walkthrough that shows you exactly where to find real customer photos so you can judge product quality with confidence before you buy. Picture reviews are incredibly useful because they show how an item looks outside of polished product photos, including color, size, and finishing details. Start by opening your web browser and going to dhgate.com. You can do this on desktop or mobile, and you don't need an account just to view reviews. If you prefer using the Dhgate app, the steps are similar, but I'll describe it as it appears in a browser so everything is easy to follow. Next, use the search bar at the top of the page to search for the product you're interested in. Type a clear specific phrase. Think along the lines of color, material, or style, so your results are focused. Press enter, and you'll see a list of product listings. Take a quick glance at the thumbnails and the star ratings on the right side of each listing to get a sense of which ones have active reviews. Now, select a product and click into its page. This opens the full product detail view. Here you can see the price, shipping information, and seller details. It's helpful to note the overall rating and how many total reviews the item has. More reviews usually means more chances of finding customer photos. If you scroll a bit, you'll also see product variations. Don't worry about those yet, we're heading straight to the review section. Scroll down until you find the reviews area and click on it. On desktop, it's often a tab labeled reviews alongside description and shipping. Once you're inside the review section, look for options that highlight photo content. Many listings display a small strip of thumbnails above or within the reviews. You may also see a filter or a button that says with pictures or photos. Click that to show only the reviews that include images. From there, click any thumbnail to open a larger view. You can usually navigate left and right to browse all photos for that review, and on mobile, tapping a photo will expand it to full screen for closer inspection. As you look through photos, check the dates, any size or color notes, and lighting differences between images. If there aren't many pictures for one listing, back out to your search results and open another product page that has more reviews. That's it. Simple, clear, and effective for making informed choices on Dhgate.